Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to fold a traditional Japanese cicada. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to encourage people to communicate more using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. I was flipping through my box of old origami paper the other day, and I found this lovely gold foil. I never noticed it was there, so I decided to make something simple that would show how cool looking this piece of foil is. Right now we're making a really simple piece. It's the traditional Japanese cicada. I haven't made one in a long time. It's one of those easy models that you learn first because the instructions came with the package of origami paper. This model is also featured on a video called The 11 Levels of Origami by the channel Wired. It's a really good video. I would really recommend you guys to check it out. I'll leave a link in the descriptions. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the clip. See you at the end. And our traditional Japanese cicada is complete. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. Once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Click the playlist on the left for my 100 exotic paper airplane challenge, and click the playlist on the right for more awesome origami.